I'm Debbie, and this is my first time at trying eHarmony. And oh, I love cats. Don't you love cats? It's just so cute. Look at this face. Oh my God. It's so cute. I just love cats. So anyway, what else do I like to do? I like to take walks and, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. How could you not love this face? Oh, do you burp? Anyway, so I love cats. If you have not seen this video, go check it out. I hope this girl, I think her name is Kara, I hope she ends up doing more videos because they're hilarious and it's going to go viral. So have a great day and peace.